Make sure you like our videos, make sure you comment, and share our videos. Thanks. Back in a moment.
We've all been there. Your vehicle is getting older and perhaps it needs a major repair. It leads you to ask yourself, should I repair or replace my car? Do you keep throwing cash into your car hoping it doesn't break down again? Or do you sell it and buy a newer, more trustworthy vehicle? It's a big decision. We're going to help you answer. Compare.com shares a few thoughts to consider if you're leaning towards fixing your car. Ask your mechanic if there are other pricey repairs that you might have in the near future. And why not ask when something rather pricey does need to be done, like replacing the transmission, could it be rebuilt instead of replaced? If it all adds up to major work, then get a few quotes for the repairs. After all, a majority of repair costs is labor. Often, the price will be very similar. If money is an issue, just focus on the most important needs first. Don't skip those safety features, though, like brakes, tires, and timing belts. But you can hold off on fixing that automatic window or that broken drink holder. Can you or someone else you know fix any of those simpler problems yourself? After all, we do know YouTube can teach almost anything these days. Finally, plan a budget. When the price to fix is usually higher than you'd like, reach that emergency fund. Or divert your savings temporarily while making sure you avoid putting money in non-essential areas. It's all worth staying away from that 4 to 6 year car loan and that $350 monthly payment. Our next video will cover if getting a new car is still your better option.
Welcome to Klahanie Chevron Service Center. They're here to help service all your car and truck service and repair needs. They've been here for a long time and are proud to be servicing the kids and sometimes grandkids of those they serviced years ago. Come in or call and schedule an appointment today.